Hello, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today's your Wednesday upload. I wanted to do something different and show that you can do semi-homemade meals at home. You don't have to make everything from scratch. You don't have to spend hours doing this and that. If you buy a few quality ingredients, you can make a good meal at home. And actually today you only need two things. You need this one lemon butter blend, and you just need chicken. So if you can find the chicken at a good price, already cooked, buy it. Or if you want, just do your own chicken. Do it ahead of time, and have it ready for different meals. But my channel is not always about making this and that from scratch. If you see my videos, most of them are semi-homemade or food ideas. But in the future, I'm going to start bringing you meal ideas where you could just take a few things and put them together and have a good meal for your family and your children, and ones that are healthy. So for today's recipe, we have this one blend. You can buy it in the USA and Canada. If you can't find it in your country or your area, you could always make it. There's the things right there. It tells you the cauliflower, and then it's tossed in butter, garlic, and lemon. So we're going to use that. I'm using this Naked Truth chicken that's already cooked and grilled. You always see that. And I'm going to use avocado oil spray. I'm going to spray that down there. And with that kind of oil, it really doesn't change the taste of food. So let's put that avocado oil in there, and then we'll get that lemon butter sauce, that mix in the pan. And something like this should only take you 5 or 6 minutes. Alright, so we're back. Like I said, we're going to take the avocado oil and just lightly coat your pan. If you put in more, it doesn't matter. Light the burner and put this on medium. Then we're going to take this blend, like I said, and we're going to pour this in here. I wish you could smell that, because I could already smell the contents of that. Oh my God, the butter and the lemon smell so good. So we're going to take this and we're going to just mix it up. It's going to take a couple minutes, and then when we get it to where it needs to be, we're going to add the chicken there. And then after that, we plate it and we're done. And this makes for a really healthy meal, and you can make it for yourself or your family or just for your kids. Alright, so you can see the steam and the sauce coming off of that. We're going to definitely want to warm this up. Keep it on medium. And like I said, after that, we'll add this chicken. And like I said, if you can't buy this chicken at a reasonable price, or you're not in a country that provides that, cook the chicken up ahead of time. And then you can put it all together. And like I said in previous videos, like chicken, beef, seafood, you could always cook it up in batches, a large batch, then make different meals out of it. Alright, so you can see the colors are starting to come alive there. See the steam, and it's sizzling. That's the lemon and garlic. We're not too far away from throwing the chicken in there. Then we're done. Alright, so we're done with that. We're going to put the stove on low now. And while it's on low, just keep stirring this. I wish I had smell-o-vision, because you should smell the aromas right now. So just keep that on low. Give it like a minute, and then we'll add our chicken in. Add whatever chicken you want. If you wanted to, you could add shrimp, or add other stuff. Alright, so that is done. We have the chicken, the grilled chicken. Pour whatever chicken you want in there. Whatever you think the right amount is for you or your family. And then just raise this flame back up to medium. And just start stirring it around. The one thing I wish I had was a red pepper. If you threw a red pepper in there, you would add that redness to this, and boy, would it be really colorful. But as is, this will taste really good, and it's healthy because you know you have that cauliflower mix with lemon and butter, and you have the grilled chicken. So we're almost done. So sorry if this was a short Wednesday upload, but I wanted to show you something different, something you could do that's easy and quick, especially since we have to work and we have families. But if you can find this, like I said, this is really good. It can make any kind of meal with seafood and beef also. So, but if not, this is what is in this blend. So I'll list that in the description. If you can't find this, you could just make this. So we'll be back in like one more minute. If you have to, you could always add more butter or garlic butter and then a touch of lemon. Alright, YouTube and Facebook. This is what I like about live recording and not editing. I just remembered I had red pepper from a previous upload when I did the recipe the other day with red pepper and snap peas. I forgot that I have pepper, so I cut some pieces up and I threw it in there, and I added to it. So that's what I mean. I don't like to edit things because I like to go with the flow, and a lot of recipes are new. I've never cooked them before. So just stir in this for another minute and then we'll plate it. But look what it looks like. If I wanted, I could throw the snap peas in too. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we're done. You can see that sauce in there. Look at that nice lemon garlic sauce. You got the chicken in there, the cauliflower, and you got red bell pepper. The thing you can do next is, the last step is, if you want, add some red crushed pepper in there. That'll add a little bit more color and it'll give it a little zing. So cooking's all about you, what you want to do, whatever's good for your taste and your family's taste. Now let's plate this and we're done. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, there it is. It's really hard to get this on camera or pictures because of the colors. And today, the day before Halloween, we're getting another bad rainstorm on the East Coast. But I can guarantee that this tastes good. If you wanted to, you could also add some green onions to this. And you could add some Roma tomato, like diced to it. But here's your healthy upload. Chicken and the cauliflower, lemon, butter, and garlic. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe, hit the bell, so you get 3 to 5 updates a week. Please tell your friends. I'm in Facebook under Danny Franklin Amateur Cook. And have a safe and happy Halloween. Be safe. God bless. Love you. Peace. Dansoy out.